Hello everyone, in this video I am going to talk about how to read the CSV file. First of all, what you have to do, you have to download your dataset and place it in the same folder where the notebook is located. So here you can see in this folder named as Udemy, my dataset is having named as sales data analysis.csv and my notebook is also there named as pandas.ipynb. After that, what I am going to do, I will be going to write here something called as import pandas as PD. Next, what we are going to do, we are going to load our data set. So I have written here df equal to pd dot read underscore csv. Then I am going to specify my file, which is sales data analysis dot csv. So you can see we have loaded our CSV file. Now if you want to see the first 5 row, we are going to use something called as head function. And you can see this is my first 5th rows. Here if you write pd.read underscore excel, we can also load the excel file also. Now we have seen how to display the top 5 rows. Similarly, if you do df.tell, you can see the bottom 5 rows. Next, with the help of df.shape function, we can see the number of rows and the number of columns present in our data set. With the help of df.columns function, you can see all your column name which is present in our data set. Now, with the help of sample function, you can randomly take any 5 rows. So we write df.sample and here pass 5 here. So you can see randomly I am taking any 5 rows and I am displaying it out with the help of sample function. Now with the help of info function, what I can do, I can display the information about the data set. For example, here we can see number of rows are there, number of columns are there, then we have a column name, and here we are displaying our non-null count, and then we are displaying our data type, which is integer 64, whether it is object or whether it is some other type. Here you can see the count here. 4 of them are integer type, 9 of them are object type, and how much memory we are consuming and how much memory are you consuming, it will be displayed it here, which is 17.2 MB. Now if you write df.index function, you can see the index. Here we can see it is starting from 0 and it is stopping at this point. With the help of df.values, you can display all the values present in the dataset, which you can see it here. Similarly, there are some other functions which we have. For example, if you have to select any particular column, what you can do, you can write like this: df bracket, then your column name. So let us say my column name is order date. Pass it here and you can see how you can select your column. If you want to select multiple column, what you can do, you can write like this: df.loc. loc means location, and then square bracket. After that you have to write colon. Colon means selecting all the rows, then specifying which columns you want to select. So here I am going to select 2 columns. Basically the first column name is order date, and the second column that I am going to select is basically sales. So I am writing here sales. Now run it out and you can see this is how you can select 2 columns at a time. You can also specify the index if you want. For example, if you want to select first 3 rows, so what you can do, you can write 0 colon 3. So basically it is n minus 1. So it will display you the top 3 rows. You can see it here. We are seeing the top 3 rows. Suppose that you want to run SQL queries. like sales greater than $1,000, you can do it with the help of query function like this. df dot query, and here you can specify your column name like sales greater than, then in double quotes you will specify $1,000. So this is how you can run SQL queries with the help of pandas function. Suppose that you have to make a copy of this data frame, you can do it with the help of copy function. So what you can do, you can write a new variable which is new df equal to df dot copy function. With the help of that you can create a copy of your data frame. Next, if you want to apply group by function, you can also do that with the help of group by method. So what you have to write, you have to write df dot group by, and in that you have to pass your column name. So here I am going to pass my column name. So let us pick any column here. For example, I am going to pick our column. Then here I am going to apply my aggregation function, which is going to be sum. So this is how you can apply group by function on a data frame. You can see the complete result is displayed to you. So this is how you can apply group by function. Similarly, here you can write some other function like count function, max function, and so on. All this thing you can write it out.